Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add vertical and horizontal error bars in Excel. Okay, example, I first copy this, Control C for copy, then Control V for paste. Add this vertical horizontal error bars. Okay, double click the chart, add chart element, error bars, standard error bars, percentage error bars. Added this standard. Okay, and add it again, standard deviation. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.